Hey everybody, hope your day's going well. Today's improv is going to be in the key of A. Everybody's famous favorite A minor pentatonic patterns will be used. I'll use all 5 patterns, starting on the 5th fret, of course, as you probably know, with pattern 1. Then it leads to pattern 2. Pattern 3. Pattern 4. Pattern 5. Sorry about that. I don't know what it is about pattern 5 that always makes me want to get a little crazy. I think because it's it appears to be such a boring pattern, you always want to spice it up. But anyway, we go back to pattern 1. This is about as high as I'm going to get on this Telecaster. And from the first pattern 1, or the lower pattern 1, I guess I could say, we lead to pattern 5 here. And that's about as low as I'll get on the Telecaster, because as you probably know by now, I don't do a whole lot of open notes during my solos. You'll hear some hammering on, some pulling off, some sliding between the patterns, and let's see how it goes. This is going to be over a backing track that I recorded so that there's no copyright issues. Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments, and have a great day. See you next time.